Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to the Boss Life channel. In today's video I want to teach you how to open or unlock all cards on Hamster Kombat. So because I feel like lots of people are confused on how to unlock these cards. So these are the cards we are going to unlock, and these are the cards that I'm going to teach you how do you get to unlock all of these. So this is a quick start for all beginners. In case you are just new to Hamster Kombat and you really want to get more coins, you want to unlock all these cards, you need to watch this video until the end. But before that, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Yeah, click all the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. So quickly, let's get started. So some of the cards come unlocked here on Hamster Kombat. When you click market, you are going to see there is locked cards and unlocked cards. For example, these are all locked and these are unlocked. Some of them I unlocked them by myself. So you are going to quickly see through your account and see what card is locked so that you unlock it using this tutorial that I'm going to show you. So as you can see, let's start with socialify tokens. So when you see this socialify token, just in case you want to unlock the socialify tokens, all you need to look for is GameFi token. So when you look for GameFi token, this card is always there and it must be open. GameFi token level 11. And when you look around, GameFi token is here. So what you need to do is to tap on GameFi token for 11 times in order to to unlock this, in order to unlock the socialify tokens. So let's click on GameFi token again and again and again and again. We need to click more 6 times until they are 11. So you guys can see that socialify token is now open. It's completely open, right? Yes, before you couldn't have opened it, but now it's open because we have unlocked it using the GameFi tokens. Now let's move on to margin trading. This is how you are going to unlock all your cards. When you look at the locked card, look at it and look around if there is any similar card next to it and what level is it needed to be open. So you have to tap on the opened card in order to open the unlocked one. Okay, so let's unlock this, the margin trading times 30. So when you look at this, the margin trading times 30, under it there is legal opinion. So we are going to look for legal opinion that is open. Okay, so let's look around legal opinion, and I think legal opinion may be under legal. So let's go. Let's tap legal and look for legal opinion. And as you guys see, there is legal opinion right here and it's open. So we have to click on this in order to open the other card that is in marketing. Let's go back and see what we need. it's legal opinion level 6. So let's go back to legal in order to unopen it. In order to open it, we have to tap for 6 more times. Legal opinion, tap it until it's on level 6, so it's now on level 6. So let's go back to markets to see if the legal opinion is open. Margin trading times 30 is now open. It's what we wanted. Now let's move on to margin trading times 50, and it's on level 0. So what we have to look for is margin trading times 30, which is this one, and we have to click on this times 8 so that it makes a level 8. In order for us to open this margin trading, we'll have to click on this margin trading times 30 to become until it becomes level 8. So click again and more 5 times needed. As you guys can see, margin trading is now open. This is very good for new beginners, and for those people who don't know how to open these cards, this tutorial is for you. If you want to benefit a lot more from Hamster Kombat, you need to open this card so that you claim your daily combo, you claim all those the rewards, because if you don't claim the daily combo and you keep on tapping, it's gonna take lots of time. It's gonna consume a lot of time for you. Otherwise, look out for this tutorial and learn how to unlock these cards. Okay, so let's move on. Here there is some locked cards. There is UX and UI team, and there is also security team. There is also anti-hacking shield. So in order for you to open let me say anti-hacking shield, you need to tap on AQ for 5 times, because when you see anti-hacking shield, under it there is Q&A team level 5. So in order for you to unlock this particular card, you need to tap on Q&A for 5 times. So let's go until it becomes level 5. Just two more times to unlock this. Now you can see anti-hacking team is now it's now open. So let's go ahead and open risk management team, the one here down, and under it says CEO level 8. So what we need to do is to find CEO level 8, and when you look up here, there is CEO level 5, of which it's also locked. Now what we have to do is to find CEO up here. So let's go. There is CEO, it's on level 4. As you can see, CEO is here. So we are going to tap on this just one more time to unlock the CEO on level 5, which is this, to unlock the UX and UI team. Let's tap CEO just one time. Tala. And as you can see, UX and UI team is now open. So let's move on to unlock another risk management. Let's unlock risk management team. So in order for you to unlock risk management team, you need to level up this CEO card. Tap more 3 times to open. Okay, as you can see, risk management team is now open just by tapping the other card just 3 times. So the card here so far, they are open. Now let's move on to open the security team. So in order for you to open security team, you need to find two-factor authentication, and two-factor authentication is just right here. It's just above. Yes, security team. In order for you to open security team, you need to find two-factor authentication. So let's tap on this until it's level 13. Let's tap on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As you guys can see, security team is now open. So far the cards right here are now open. So we are remaining with, let's scroll down, we are remaining with tokenomics expert. So in order for you to open tokenomics expert, you need to look for beast dev team level 3. And where is that? Let's look through it, see if we can. And it's right here. So you are going to tap on beast dev team until it is on level 3. So let's tap on this just 2 times to unlock the other card. Finished. As you can see, it's now open. VC Lab is now open. Under legal, there is license North America is not open. In order to open license North America, you need to look for SEC transparent level 10. License North America. And in order for you to open license North America, you need to look for SEC transparent level 10. You need to look for that card, and when you scroll up, there is SEC transparent level 0. So we need to tap on this SEC transparent level 0 until it becomes level 10 for us to unlock the other card. So let's tap on that for 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, license North America is now open. So guys, that's how you unlock all these cards. Hamster is just going to be dropping more locked cards, and in order for you to win the 5 million combo daily, you need to unlock all these cards, and you need to have at least a particular amount of coins on your account, on your Hamster account. So keep tapping, claim the coin in order for you to unlock these cards. So that's how you are going to be doing it. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe. You can always ask me any question you feel you are confused about, and I'll be always answering.